Okay, the last part of this video, we are going to look at some examples of balancing equation. Okay, specifically 9, 11, and 13. Okay, so first one, number 9, FeOH3 plus H2SO4. Okay, when we write chemical equations, moving forward, right, what's going to happen is you always take the metal, which forms positive, take it to kick out the positive in the other reagent. So my iron partner the SO4, iron sulfate. So most of the students, when see this iron sulfate, they will write iron, FeSO4. But it is not the same as whatever is given to you here. So why is this the case? It's because you have to know, reverse the charge. My iron is Fe 3 plus OH minus, then you can get FeOH3. And then SO4 is 2 minus from your memory work. So Fe 3 plus SO4 2 minus. What's your formula? Bring down the element. The 3 bring it down, whole thing, bracket 3. The 2 bring it across. That's why you have your formula Fe2 bracket SO4 3. Okay, and then after that, you see just now the H was kicked out. This H that is kicked out is going to partner the OH. So H and OH, right, we don't care how many is there first. It will always form H2O. Okay, as long as there's H and O left, it will always form H2O. Then we balance your equation, it will all make sense. Okay, get your formulas correct. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. Then we balance it. Okay, so how do we balance? The tip, right, is balance your metal first. There is 2 iron, put a 2 in front, right? Then look at the SO4. SO4 will stick together, okay, on the starting material and your product. There's 3 SO4, so put a 3 in front. So total, there is 6H here, and then there is 3 OH plus times 2 molecule. So there's also 6 OH. So 6H and 6 OH will form 6H2O. And this is your final balance equation. 6, 3, 2. Okay, in the next example, Fe2SO4 plus CSOH. Using the same idea, my iron 3 is going to kick out the metal CS, cesium. Okay, so you will get FeOH3. Fe is 3 plus, OH is minus, do the cross method. Then my CS is positive, group 1. Sulfate, SO4, 2 minus. So same thing, do the cross method, right? My cesium is going to partner the sulfate. So you do the cross method, you will get cesium, sulfate. Okay, and then last but not least, we balance your equation after your formula is all correct. Okay, there's 2 cesium because of CS2, 2 Fe because Fe2. Okay, and then sulfate, there is 3 sulfate. So I have to put a 3 here. After you put a 3, your CS2 changes. So there's actually total. There is actually total 6 CS because 2 times 3, 6 CS. Okay, so 6 CS means at the back of it, I will have 6 OH and this 6 OH is balanced out with my 3 times 2 FeOH3. Okay, so your final answer in this will be 1, 6, 2, 3 and 2. Okay, in your last example, this is a very common example again. Okay, same thing, take the metal, keep the positive. So my lithium is going to partner the chloride. Li plus Cl minus, your formula is LiCl. A lot of students will go and write Li2Cl because you see the 2 here. That's not the way we do it. Remember, cross method, Li plus Cl minus. Okay, the next thing you have to know is when you see a carbonate, it's going to give carbon dioxide. It is always true, it will give me carbon dioxide. And what is left behind? I'm only left with H. But the CO2, CO3 becomes CO2, that's one O. So H and O must form H2O. It is always true, don't count how many first. Balancing part will balance it up. Okay, so balance the metal first. Lithium is 2. So when your Li changes, your Cl also changes, so I put a 2 in front. So now you see there's 2H, this 2H will partner the O to give me H2O, and this is your balance equation. Okay, so in balancing equation, let me repeat, balance metal first, polyatomic ions next, and they will always stick together. Then balance your H and O last because it sticks to many compounds.